When we think about insects flying, we often imagine them flying toward flowers to find food. But insects actually started flying long before flowering plants even existed. So, why did they fly if not to find food? It seems that early insects started flying to escape predators, especially spiders. The battle between spiders and their prey likely led to the development of flight in insects. Spiders belong to a group called Chelicerata, which began in the Cambrian seas over 500 million years ago. These early spiders hunted crustaceans, the ancestors of insects. Over time, some of these crustaceans moved to the land to escape spider predators. Early spider ancestors had bodies that helped them move on land. They had exoskeletons and special gills called book gills that allowed them to breathe air. They likely excreted silk, which helped keep their gills wet, similar to how some creatures today, like horseshoe crabs, can spend time on land. As both insects and spiders evolved, they moved to different environments. Over time, spiders and insects diversified and evolved in response to each other. This led to an arms race, where spiders developed new ways to hunt, and insects developed new ways to escape. Fossils show that the first insects appeared about 400 million years ago in Scotland, and spiders began evolving soon after. One of the oldest spider relatives, Attacopus, lived about 385 million years ago and could make silk, though it didn't yet build webs. This silk might have been used for burrows or safety lines. Insects and spiders were both evolving at the same time. The first flying insects appeared around 320 million years ago. At the same time, spiders like Arthrolycorsa appeared, which could make webs. The first true webs likely appeared shortly after. By the Permian period, about 298 million years ago, insects had become abundant, and spiders were also evolving more complex webs. As forests expanded, these webs started attaching to plants, allowing spiders to capture more insects. In the Triassic period, about 252 million years ago, new types of spiders developed, including the ones that make spiral webs, known as orb webs. These webs are designed to catch flying insects, showing how spiders adapted to insects' ability to fly. By the Cretaceous period, about 140 million years ago, fossils preserved in amber showed spiders building webs to catch insects. This period marks the peak of web-building spiders. However, as birds and mammals appeared, spiders faced new challenges. Birds, for example, could eat insects and spiders, making webs more dangerous to use. By the late Cretaceous period, some spiders started abandoning webs and returned to hunting on the ground. These spiders didn't need webs to catch prey, reducing the energy they spent on building and maintaining webs. These non-web spiders began evolving quickly and adapted to new hunting strategies, like using silk to create traps or fishing for prey. Many of these spiders, like tarantulas and wolf spiders, started burrowing again and using silk to line their homes and protect their eggs. Today, spiders can be found in almost every environment. Although many have moved away from building webs in the air, they continue to use different strategies to catch prey. The battle between insects and spiders is ongoing, but it's now happening in different